You know, now they are getting back all the prelim papers. But you know what's the problem?
Think you're cramming at the last minute? Second guessing your study plan? Join the Endgame JC2 GP Crash Course.
Last year, a lot of prelim questions focused on urbanization and city living. In case you want to do this as a question, we've had essays to do with it. I think we had AQ also.
Make sure that you are not telling me examples. You are giving me the traits of said entity. Things like
The final sprint to the A-level exam is here, and the pressure is on.
Identify, revise arguments, and receive cheat sheets. The students got no time to research really. My team is going to put in the prelim questions and those questions that are also likely to come out.
I felt like the lessons here were really helpful, especially the GP lessons.
I'm very grateful for all the Indigo tutors for providing a clear direction for us to answer and to score in GP.
I'm really grateful for all the support my tutors have given me, and they're always really engaging in class and nagging at us to remember certain important details for our exams. So in the long run, it's really useful. Thank you.
Cross that finishing line with confidence. Join our Endgame to ensure you're fully prepared for the A-levels.